Hi everybody. Sometimes we want to control the type of control that is used by the wizard on a column by column basis. Let me show you how we do it. So first of all, I have a screen here, and if I use the column wizard to add some columns, I will see that all of them are text box. But in this case, I would like the supplier ID to actually be a combo box. So let me show you how you can set the default control used for specific columns. So I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to say go to data. And it will take me to the products class in the base project and to the supplier ID column. And here I can simply set the property control type. You can see there are several control types, one to use on a form, on a grid, on printing grid. I will use the one for a grid, and I will say use a control of type shared sim controls. That's where the default controls are. I'm going to say combo box. I will build my code, the base project, and then I will build my actual project code. And when I'll remove the column and add it back using the column wizard, we will now get a column. So it's that simple, and that's how you can control the type of control that you'll get from the column wizard. Now if you want to have more granular control or more in-depth control, you can always go to the grid in your shared project, the grid that is used by your application. It will be residing in Northwind. Tick, 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 Northwind shared sim controls, and then you can override the get column type for wizard. And here is actually the code that controls for which column, which control is going to come back. There's also another useful method here called override after wizard added control, where you can have some more granular control. So this is for advanced user who want to have more gradual control, but for the basic user, just use the control type properties and they can get you very far. So let me show you how we've done that. We went to the products class and we simply said which control type we want to use. Now let's take this one step further. Let's create a special control type for suppliers. So I'll create a class here and I'll call it suppliers combo, and it will inherit from the same one that this one is. And I will use this as the type for the supplier ID. Cool? So I'll build my project and I'll build my UI. And previously the combo that was added was for shared sim controls combo box, but now the combo that will be added will be of type supplier combo. And this actually gives me more granular control, because I can very easily say that the supplier combo will know the suppliers table, we'll use it as its list source, we'll use the value column to be the supplier ID, and the display column to be the supplier company name. So now when I run the code, it will automatically be populated with the combo box. So how did we achieve this? Let's see it again in total. So in our products table, okay, we've declared that we want the control type to be supplier combo, and we've created our own supplier combo with the values already populated for it. I hope you find this useful, make some cool things with it, and remember, if you want to go to the next level and go have more granular control from the code, on the grid and on the form and on the report section, you can override the get control for wizard, and after wizard added control. Do cool things with this.